my channel. If you're new here, my name is Salvia. Welcome. Hi. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a kind of like review, swatches, and a full makeup tutorial on this collection right here, new from Urban Decay. This is their Beached Collection. There's tons of goodies in here, so if you want to see the swatches and the review and all that fun stuff, then just keep on watching. If you just want to see how I got this look in the tutorial using the Beached Collection, then skip a little bit ahead. Okay, my friends? Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so I am interrupting this video right now to let you guys know that I am hosting a giveaway for you. So I somehow got two of these guys in the mail, so I'm going to be giving one of these away to one of you amazing people out there. All of the details of this giveaway are going to be below, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to comment something specific. I'll figure that out. Maybe just a bunch of beachy emojis, since this is the Beached Collection. You're going to comment a bunch of beachy emojis on my Urban Decay Beached Collection Instagram post, which you will see it because it will be one of the latest posts once this video goes live. So make sure to comment a bunch of beached emojis on that post, and you will be entered to potentially win this giveaway and this awesome prize of the entire Beached Collection for yourselves. So here is the Beached palette. Such a beautiful combination of just warm tones, and then these beautiful blues right here. Let's swatch all of these so you can see how really amazing they are. So this first one right here is called Salt. Then we have Blaze, Heat Wave, Daybreak, and 16th Street. Now for the blues, we have Double Dip. Here is Plunge. And finally, last but not least, we have Wedge. Here are all of those colors right here. I wish there was some more matte colors in here because there's really only this matte, like burnt orange, but overall the whole palette is just absolutely stunning. So the collection came with two eyeliners, Gold Mine and Lucky. Here is Gold Mine. Then we have Lucky, which is kind of like a warm toned brown. It also has two bronzers. You have Sunkissed and Bronze. Here is Sunkissed, and here is Bronzed. And finally, this collection came with 3 lipsticks. This first shade is called Tower 1, and it's like a clear lipstick with like a pinky gold glitter. The next one is called Heat Wave. This is a metallicized or metallized orangey gold warm lipstick. And last but not least, this is 100 Degrees. It is a sheer coral red. Okay, so first I'm going to use my Milk Makeup Concealer. This is the color Light and Fair. I'm just going to mix them together to shape out these brows. So the palette in here is called the Beached Eyeshadow Palette. It's got tons of colors. Let's see. I have no idea what look I want to do. I kind of wanted to do a yellow eyeshadow look, but I'm just like all yellow, you know? Love the packaging on this palette. Oh, it opens up like this. Well, I feel like we need to use the blue because, like, hello? The blue is so pretty. First things first, I'm going to be using Daybreak in my crease. And maybe this will help me figure out how to create this look here. I'm going to take a little of Heat Wave, and this is going to go directly in my crease. I'm going to get a little ballsy here. try something different. Sometimes this can go well and sometimes this can go badly. So I think what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I am actually gonna go for a smoky eye using Heat Wave all over the eye to kind of smoke it out, and then we're gonna use that blue underneath my eyeball. We're kind of playing it a little safe here. But I also want to give you guys something different because I already did the blue look with the Patrick Star stuff from MAC. So let's play it kind of safe. Let's do something a little more wearable. We're doing a super warm orangey smoky eye right now. I'm going to take a little of Wedge, which is the dark brown at the bottom. And I'm going to use this right here, closest to my lash line. I'm taking some of the Patchology Clean AF wipes because I need a little help right now. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. On a little fluffy pencil brush and my Milk Makeup Concealer, I'm gonna use that right underneath my eye so that we can get this blue shadow as opaque. So I'm gonna use Double Dip, which is the lighter blue, and Plunge. I'm gonna take Double Dip first. And then I'm gonna take Plunge and kind of blend that together. I'm gonna take the Stila Glitter and Glow, right? This is, no, it's the Shimmer and Glow. This is in the color Freedom. I'm gonna place this right on the inner corner. For primer, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and then right on top, the No Pore Poreblem Primer from Touch in Soul. For foundation, I'm using the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I have N40 and N30 right here. I'm gonna mix them both to get my perfect shade. I'm using my matte setting powder from Cover FX. Now I'm gonna pop on some mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara for my bottom lashes and the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes for the top. And then I'm gonna apply my all-time favorite lashes that I apply in basically every video. It's the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. Now we're going to use the Beached Bronzer. This is in Sunkissed. I'm going to top everything off with my MAC Fix Plus in Rose. And then for lips, I have a little concoction here. Let me figure this out and then show you the lipstick from Urban Decay that I'm going to put on top. So for the final lip, I put Tower 1 on top. It's just like a super clear gold lipstick. And that completes this look.